Hello mga kalakwatsyarong Becky! Welcome back sa my YouTube channel, Lakwatsyarong Becky. For today's video guys, samahan nyo kaming gumala. Pupunta kami sa Maliha, sa isa sa pinaka-miraculous grotto dito sa Malta, which is in Maliha, kung saan ako humiling nung bago pa lang ako dito sa Malta na sana bigyan ako ng isang taong tutulong sa akin habang nandito ako sa Malta. So, let's go guys. Samahan nyo kami ni Daniel at ng iba kong kaibigan. Let's go guys. Let's go guys. Gala tayo guys. Love, say hi. Hi. Love.
Hello, hi.
So guys, eto ng aming friends. Tara, let's go. Gumala tayo. Are you guys okay at the back? Yes. Hello, Anilu.
Hi, Anelo.
That's the girl wearing orange shirt is Anilu, and we have here Eileen and the loving husband Kuya. Say hi to my vlog.
Kuya, say hi to the blog.
Hello. Okay. Oh, what a lovely day, guys. Ang ganda na araw ngayon, no? Very beautiful day today. And there's another one baby. Baby now, bugbog later. Ang ganda! Beautiful! Look at the ocean. The ocean is so calm today. Yes?
Love.
Ah?
Yeah, love. Where Giovanni live, the home.
Giovanni? Ah, that one?
Yes.
Oh, it's like modern.
It's modern and like hotel.
Yeah. Not like in Slima.
Yes.
Yeah, summer we're going there. Oh, welcome guys to Banawe Rice Terraces here in Malta. Look, it looks like Banawe Rice Terraces, but it's not. Grabe, ang ganda dito, no? Parang nakaka-relax yung ano niya, yung ambience. It's relaxing here, love.
Yes. Too much.
Yung scenario, napaka-relax. It's more on greeneries, right? You have to say yes.
Of course.
Yes, Rosa.
Wala ko na miss ko na magputo. Same. Wala pa ako lisensya. So, lang kami. Yung ano, ginagdit kami ng taxi. Yung sa may, ano ba yung tawag dito? May bakal na harang. Oo, sa Pilipinas na nag-ano, nagtitinda tayo dun sa Calamelo. Kumuha ko, nag-rent tayo ng stall sa kanila. May palengke. Sa Masinag. Ito na, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
I like this as well.
Huh?
Yes.
You like?
Yes.
This one I bought from Holland.
What's your name?
Puro mahal, no?
Ah, 15.
Kanta ko na sa kanya man. Ano? Kanta?
Visit sa dalawan ko.
Very cheap.
Cheap pa.
Good price? Yeah. Buy would buy one.
Ay, maganda dito pag gabi. No, maliwanag siya. Lalo, maganda dito pag gabi. Lalo yan, no, yung, ano, simbahan na yan. Lakarin na lang natin papuntang doon sa kakainan, no?
You have the same case like me.
Try natin pala man siya sa gabi.
Oo.
Bukas yung gabi.
You. Yeah, you.
So here we go, guys. We are now here in Kyoto. So let's go down. Let's go down to the grotto, guys. Be careful, guys.
Love, sponsored by Rock.
Proset.
Sponsored by Rock.
Proset. In our pantry, we don't have chair. But here, they have chair. Proset. Sana all. Hello. Pagod?
Matanda. That's why they sit down.
Panata, like...
We met that one today.
Disaster. Hello, Kuya Kabayan. Hello. Bye-bye. And now we're going home, guys. And now we're going back home, guys. Thank you for today's
Remember
video.
here, love.
Yes.
When
Yeah.
we came to the Truman,
Yeah,
to
we-
Filipina,
I have friend here.
Laki magbayad na mahal ng 70, no?
she used to live somewhere here.
Yes.
Yes. Ako kay Eric dati. Yung sinundo mo ko sa St. Paul's Bay.
Huh?
Tagal mo nung
Now we are.
We are in Bharat Shop.
Yes.
Ding 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 ding. Welcome to Bharat Shop. Bharat Shop in Malta.